Hey, just doing a real quick tutorial for Roll20 to make a character sheet. This is the DM view, so you see some things up here that are yellow, but overall, we're just going to make one. So if you come in here, you should see your name here. This is all the people that have already made a uh, or added me to their Roll20, but I'm going to do a new character. This is again from the DM screen, so this is what you should already see. So this is DM PC. As a DM, I decide who gets to control this PC. I'm not actually making a DM PC, just for the record. That'd be OP. So I'm going to save changes. And then what I see here is nothing. But over here I can do the character sheet. I could do the character master. I'm not gonna. What I'm going to do instead is to edit the sheet directly. If I'm a DM, I might want to just make an NPC and not have to deal with all this. Then I put my face here just so you don't see our little people. So, what I would do is I would go through here and just fill in my strength and stuff like that. I would edit it. Nope, just kidding. That was correct. Oh, here we go. So I should be able to change that to say maybe I'm 12. Maybe this one's a 14. This is all the stuff that you normally think of when you're actually doing your character, but it does the math for you. And then it'll change these numbers for you as well. And if I went into the negatives, it would make that a negative. And it does these as well. If I have proficiency in something, I click in the checkbox and it'll add my proficiency bonus to it. We're at level 3, so I think you have to actually change your level to 3 right here to make your proficiency bonus to be the right number. Yeah, so it knows, which is pretty cool. One of the things it doesn't do is when you do level up, it won't change your hit points and stuff like that, but you can do your hit point maximum in here. Any temporary hit points. If you scroll through, it'll actually do it basically real time. It knows how many hit dice I have. I don't know if I type in my class. Here we go. So let's say I'm a bard. It'll do my hit dice down here, which is all pretty cool. So it does it for us. And then over here on the side, it has the compendium. I chose 5th edition, so it should all be here for you. And it's glitching out, so you can't see me moving, but it's fine. So over here, let's say I'm a bard. I have maybe animal friendship. If I drag and drop it in, it'll show up in my spell slots. It should show up in my spell slots. Maybe it knows I don't actually have that. Oh, there it is. So then when I'm actually playing the game, if I were to click on animal friendship at first level, it'll show the DM what it does, but it shouldn't be doing that. It should be actually casting it. Oh, it's because it's not a battle spell. So let's come over here and grab, your typical bard spell. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's where they get mad at somebody and call them out for what they're doing. It's fine. Can I just type in bard? Nope. Vicious mockery. There we go. Oh my gosh, that was way too hard. So if I do vicious mockery, which is something that I actually have to save against, drag that over here. I'm going to do vicious mockery. Over here in the spell thing, it'll have a DC 10 wisdom saving throw, so I haven't actually changed my my wisdom save. And then it'll be 2 damage if I fail. And then if it's something that would take half damage, it'll say in this section right here if it's half damage or not. So that's how you drag and drop stuff over. And then let's say I'm a bard who also I'm a College of Swords. So if I come over here and I want I don't know what I'm looking for. This item set. I'm also figuring this out because I've only done this from the DM perspective before. Cool. My bag of holding. Let's say about rapier. I saw dagger as I was going through. So I should be able to drag and drop rapier over here. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have picked rapier. I should have just searched for it. That'll be my bio or my core. And if I click on rapier, oh no. I don't know how to get rid of that. It's fine. I should be able to use it. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I should be able to click it and it shows up over here. So I'll have to do some more research on that. Maybe I'll do that and to put it in the chat. Or I can make my own weapon up. If it's 0, is it a show up? How did I get rid of it last time? It's fine, I don't care. But it should be able to just roll it for me, which is great. Oh, here it is. These are my items. Here it is up here. So if I roll this, what it does is it rolls it. I'm currently toggled at advantage and never whisper rolls. I want to have advantage toggle and whisper toggle. So that way I can tell just the DM and I can do advantage or non-advantage. As a DM, I personally use the left one to tell me if it got it or not. This was both a 20. So then I click my rapier and that was 3 piercing damage. So Roll20 does all the rolls for us, which is pretty cool. It's kind of sad because you don't have the actual feeling of the dice in your hands, but it does work out fairly well. So hopefully that helped. Drag and drop from the compendium, which is the eye. I don't actually know what all you see up here, but maybe all of it, maybe none of it. Hopefully at least this screen, which is where the PCs are, and this screen, which is the compendium. Okay, cool. I'll see you on Saturday, or whenever I see you.